Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to unmute the speaker on your Lenovo Thinkpad laptop. So when you press the function key it should mute, and when you press again it should unmute. So if you are unable to unmute, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is you can copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Type in run in Windows search box, and then you can paste the command over here. Click on OK. Now over here under playback, make sure your speaker is enabled. If this is disabled, you can enable it, and make sure this is set as default. So here in my case, here you can see it's a default, so you can select it and then you can make sure this is on default, and you can even test it. You can test it and check if you can hear the sound. Now still not working, you can install Lenovo Hotkey. Now before you install, you can type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now over here you find this, you find this Lenovo Hotkey client loader. If you find this Lenovo Hotkey client loader, in that case you can just make a right click and click on start if highlighted, or you can click on restart. So if the start is highlighted, click on start or restart, and you have to make a right click on Lenovo Hotkey client loader and then start the services and then check. Still not working, in that case you can install the Lenovo Hotkey driver. Go to Lenovo website and then go to the official website, select your computer. You can detect your computer or you can click on browse products, go to laptop, make sure that you select your model number over here. So if it's this series, you can select this series. If it's 13 series, make sure that you select your ThinkPad laptop and then select your model number. Make sure that you select your model number over here, and then you can go to drivers and software, go to manual update, and look for, let me check, critical software and utilities. Yeah, so I found it under critical software and utilities, so I'll show you. So it was under critical in my case, and then software and utilities, and over here you can see hotkey features integration. Now you have to download this file. This is the readme. You can get all the details over here, and hotkey features integration. Click on download, and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, next, accept, next, next. In my case it's already there. Next, install, finish. Okay, and let the installation complete, and then you have to restart your PC. Yes, restart my computer now. So click on finish and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, when you press the function key to mute or unmute, it should work. And this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. And I think this has the option. This software enables F1 to F12 special keys and buttons on your computer. So that should help you to fix it. But still not working, in that case you can enable disable audio in device manager. Make a right click, go to device manager, expand song, video and game controllers, make a right click on your speaker, disable it, click on yes, and then again make a right click, enable it. I'm not disabling it right now, so disable it and then you will see enable option, enable it again. Still not working, update, install the driver. Make a right click, click on update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If you have multiple drivers, you can select driver one by one and install it. Select your driver and then go next, install it, and then restart your PC and then check. If that does not work, in that case install audio driver from the website. So again, after you select your model number, you can find your drivers, audio driver. and then you can install the driver. You can download it, install it, and then restart your PC, and then you can install the latest one, download it, install it, restart your computer, and after the system restart, let the driver update complete, and then you can check. So that should help you to fix the unmute issue. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.